Have you ever wondered how mulching can benefit your soil? Well, mulching is the practice of spreading organic matter like compost or aged bark over the soil surface. Think of it as a protective blanket for your soil. It's a simple yet powerful technique that can greatly enhance the fertility and structure of your soil. In this video, we'll dive into the numerous benefits of mulching. Mulching is more than just a gardening technique. It's a way to boost your soil's health and productivity. Now, how can you start mulching in your own garden? The best time to start mulching is in the early spring or fall, but really, any time your soil needs a boost is a good time. To get started, you'll need some basic tools: a wheelbarrow, a garden fork, and your choice of mulch. Organic materials like straw, compost, or shredded bark work well. Begin by clearing your garden bed of any debris. Next, use your garden fork to gently loosen the soil surface. This helps the mulch interact better with the soil. After this, fill your wheelbarrow with your chosen mulch. Spread a layer about 2 to 4 inches thick over your garden bed, making sure to avoid direct contact with plant stems and tree trunks. This is to prevent rot and pest problems. Remember, mulch breaks down over time, so you'll need to replace it regularly to keep your soil healthy and productive. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to nurture your soil. So, are you ready to give your soil the care it deserves? Let's get those hands dirty and start mulching. It might seem like a bit of work now, but imagine the payoff. Over time, you'll see a significant improvement in your soil health and overall garden vibrancy. It's a small task with big rewards. Remember, your soil is the foundation of your garden. Treat it well, and it will reward you with a lush, healthy garden. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.